welcome back to my channel. Hey y'all, welcome back to another payday wig day, baby. Before we get started with today's payday wig day, you already know what I'm going to say, and that is going to be make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you hit that notification bell so you never miss another video from me. And make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, which I hope that you do like it. Now, the unit that I'm going to be reviewing today, I did purchase from WIGTYPES.com. This unit is by Outre. Her name is Jodie. This is what the unit looks like on the stock card. I have Jodie in the color number 2. She is a blunt cut part in the middle. She is a synthetic unit and she is heat safe up to 400 degrees. It says that she is a Swiss lace eye parting soft flexible stretch, and it comes with care instructions on the back. This is what Miss Jodie is looking like straight on out the pack. This is the parting space. She has lace. She has 2 combs on the side. Sometimes they're usually like right here in the front, but these are on the side. She has adjustable straps with a comb in the back. Okay, so I have cut the lace off of this unit, so let's go ahead and put her on and see what we're working with, okay? Okay, so just straight putting her on without doing anything. I already know that I'm going to like her. So let me just go ahead and spruce her up, and then we're going to really get into Miss Jodie, okay? Okay guys, let me go ahead and rate her. I am going to give Miss Jodie, I'm going to give her 4 Ks. Yes, Miss Jodie, yes. The reason why I'm giving Miss Jodie 4 Ks is, first of all, I love this cut. I love the blunt cut. I love how straight it is because I don't like it, you know, when it's bent on the ends. I love the parting space. The parting space is decent. The reason why that she did not get 5 Ks is I have experienced just a tad bit of tangling. Just a little bit of tangling. Not a lot of tangling, but just a little bit of tangling. And it does have those rigidity lines in it that you can see on some synthetic units. But other than that, I love this unit, guys. It reminds me of Bobbi Boss Yara, I believe. It's not as thick. Bobbi Boss Yara is thick, and this is not as thick. This is beginner friendly. Just cut the lace off, put a little pot up in a parting space, and go on about your business. It is big head friendly. Look at the cut, y'all. Now, like I said, there has been a little bit of shedding, but not a lot. But this, honey, yes, they did that. Sometimes a simple look is just all you need, honey, and I am loving this. I mean, honestly, if it did not have those little rigid lines, it would look like that I just went and got a sew-in. Seriously, that's how cute this unit is. I am loving it. Yeah, she's a winner. Ding, 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 ding. Miss Outre, you did that, honey. So Miss Jodie, she is going to get 4 Ks from me. Let me turn around so you guys can see the back of her. But before I go, I do want to let you all know that I'm actually going to be giving this unit away for my KK's 2K giveaway. So make sure that you turn your notifications on, because the video that gives you instructions on how you can win this unit is coming up next. Before I go, you already know what I'm going to say, and that is going to be ask, believe, and receive. Ask for what you want, believe that you already have it, and then sit back and just wait to receive it. Until I see you all again, my KKs, have a blessed week.